This 2024 Winnebago Ekko 22A is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, air conditioning, microwave, stove top burner, oven, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, awning, water heater, auxiliary battery, LP detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2024 Winnebago Ekko 22A is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by an EcoBoost engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.